Deepjoy Sarkar, assisted by Oindrila Ponda, introduce the Felix children to the magical world of emotions, Navarasa, and how to connect with our emotions with the world freely and boldly. They play with the 9 emotions, which in our tradition we call the 9 sentiments, 9 rasas, which all of us have. They are all the colors of our lives. And we need to recognize these emotions within us and use them positively to have a productive life where we connect with each other beautifully. Navarasa.
रसादुत्पद्यते सर्वं रसेचैव विलीयते स्थितिरेव रसाधिस्तु सर्वं रसमयं जगत्।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Shringar, love. Love for your parents, love for your brothers and sisters, loving your friends, loving the entire universe. Shringar, let us know the story of Shringar.
रसश्रेष्ठो हि शृङ्गारो रतिभावसमद्भुतः रसश्रेष्ठो हि शृङ्गारो रतिभावसमद्भुतः मेलनाद्
Love between man and woman, between two souls, Atma and Paramatma.
मेलनाद्वा नरनार्योरिष्टलाभात् पुनः क्वचित् आनन्दो हि रतिप्रोक्ता पञ्चधा भिद्यते हि सा आनन्दो हि रतिः प्रोक्ता पञ्चधा भिद्यते हि सा.
Love is elevated through stages to reach sheer bliss.
यत्र चित्तस्य निर्वेदो निस्तरङ्गो ह्रद इव सर्वभावग्रहाकाङ्क्षी सभावः शान्तरती च.
Shantarati, calmness, to give and receive love.
आत्मगतै नानाभावै प्रीति सेवा परायणैः नीता मनसि द्रष्टाणां दास्य रति रसो मतः.
Dasya Rati, to fulfill the wishes of one's beloved.
वयस्य भावसम्भूता सह नर्म क्रीडादय यत्रो भयो परिद्रष्टा सख्यरति रसो सहि
Sakhyarati, an equal relationship in love.
चुम्बनं च शिरोघ्राणं करेणाङ्गव्यमार्जनम् आशीर्वाणं सस्मितं वात्सल्यं कथ्यते बुधैः
Vatsalya Rati, protective, possessive, and nurturing.
तद्भावभावनं यत्र तन्नाम श्रवणात् प्रीतिः उभयोर्मेलनो उत्कण्ठा दृश्यते मधुरे रसे
Madhura Rati, sweetness and ultimate bliss.
पञ्चधा विद्यते हि सा पञ्चधा विद्यते हि सा शान्तो दास्यस्तथा सख्यो लोल्यो मधुर एव च
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight.
2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hasya, merriment, laughters. In the beginning, it is little smile, hasita. Then a broader smile, vihasita. Then we have upahasita. We make fun of each other. Then we have apahasita. Apahasita, a lot of laughter. And atihasita, we lose our control while laughing so much. Hasyaras.
Smiles, laughter, humor. Hasya Rasa.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Misery is also a part of life. Karun Rasa, coming out of the emotion of shok, mourning for some reason. Karun Rasa.
प्रियस्य वीक्ष्य विनाशं विप्रियं श्रवणात् वापि शोको यस्मात् समाप्नोति कारुण्य तनुते ततः प्रियस्य प्रियस्य वीक्ष्य विनाशम्
When our beloved ones die,
विप्रियं
we
श्रवणाद्वापि
hear something very sad.
शोको यस्मात् समाप्नोति
We are surrounded by sadness.
कारुण्यं तनुते ततः
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Raudra, anger. It is one of the most powerful emotions we have. It may seem like negative, but sometimes we need to be angry because sometimes with anger we are able to eradicate things which are not good and positive for us. Anger can be of so many types. Sometimes we are so angry with the world that we are ready to kill. Sometimes we are angry with our beloved ones, Abhiman. Sometimes we are angry with our bosses. We cannot express, and it's suppressed anger. Sometimes we are angry with children. Mock anger. That anger we show with exaggeration. Here's, I am so strong, I am going to hit you and send you flying. So there are so many angers we are going to explore in Raudra Rasa.
छेदा
संग्रामे
तद्वै प्रक्सो दीप्तत्वं
Rudra, the mightiest Rigvedic god, is associated with storms. He eradicates problems from the roots. Rage is uncontrolled fury. Rage, if silenced, corrodes. Frustrations, disappointments cause anger, manifesting itself in outbursts of violence. Krodh, Raudra.
संग्रामे प्रहारो नाशो संभेदो वादिहच्छिदः विक्षोभो ध्वंसो दीप्तत्वं रौद्रस्यैतद्वै प्रख्यानम्
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Anger, angry people. And there are people who are brave. Try to make the difference. The brave ones are very positive. They are protective. They come to save the world. Virasa.
Not aggression, power. Not passion, serenity. Not abusing, inspiring. The Veera fights without malice.
उत्साहजनको वीरः पराक्रमस्य सूचकः मोहविषादसंमुक्तः प्रताप्यव्यञ्जकः सहि
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Vibhatsa rasa. The emotion, the feeling of repulsion. Do you know that when we feel repulsed, it's our ears are rejecting. We see something and our eyes are rejecting. We smell something horrible and our nose is rejecting and our heart rejects. And this is the rasa, vibhatsa rasa. Vibhatsa.
Revolting, offensive, recoil, vibhatsya.
Aridya apriyang yadva अनिष्टकारिणं घृणास्पदः जुगुप्सा जायते यस्मात् स विभत्स्य रसो मतः
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bhayankar, terrifying, which evokes the feeling of fear. There are so many kinds of fear. Let us know about this emotion. Bhayankar.
Fear of our insecurities, fear of imprisonment, fear, real or imaginary, bhayanaka, terrifying.
कृतसत्त्वं मालोक्य निशाम्य भीषणं रवम् उद्वेगादरण्यसंवेशाद् जायते वै भयानकः
जायते वै भयानकः भयानकः भयानकः
विकृत सत्त्वमालोक्य निशम्य भीषणं रवम् उद्वेगारण्यसंवेशात् जायते वै भयानकः
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Adbhut Rasa. We are amazed sometimes. Why? What amazes us? What is this Adbhut Rasa? Let us explore about starting with the universe and finishing with the universe when we are just a spot, just a drop. That's the most wonderful thing we can think of, and that leads to the last rasa, Shanta Rasa, peace. Adbhut Rasa.
Spirals, humanity's most mysterious symbol, beginning from a center, encompassing the universe, returning to its origin. We wonder at our own galaxy, spiraling toward the infinite. We are intrigued by it all, from spiral-shaped shells to DNA structures, fingerprints to hurricanes, vortices and soap bubbles to circling birds of prey. Everything in nature is reminding us of that immortal spirit holding us together. That spirit is the center of centers. It is the supreme wonder, Vismay, invisible and unattainable, the connector of the inner and outer universe, the Nirguna, Antaheen Brahman. What is the supreme wonder? It is the formless one, the one our outer eyes cannot see. But our inner eyes know it to be the center of our existence. And around that, everything moves in circles, round and round. All our thoughts and actions, round and round, continuously, untiringly, relentlessly, round and round, round and round, round and round.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.